Okay, continuing further in this Reconnaissance series, we're looking at Censys. So Censys, for those that don't know, is a tool that also works a little bit like shodan. It allows you to find information about devices, including the services, the vulnerabilities, the IP addresses, the protocols and ports that are open. It automates quite a number of things that we normally manually do using tools like Nmap and others. Okay, so again, just like with the others, you can of course go ahead and check this out on my website. You can read about it, but it's not such an advanced tool in the sense it's not complicated. So here I have it open. Okay, of course you can pay for an account, but I'm demonstrating with the free account here. So you can search for pretty much anything, a website, you can search for an IP address, and I recommend that you search your own network. Okay, what's your public IP address, right? Or what's your domain name? If you've got a website, search your own website. See if it's able to give you anything. Of course, it's not going to give you for every single machine that's out there on the internet, but for quite a number of them, especially the ones hosted in the West, you'll be able to find a lot of information about them. So in this example, I'll be testing against cyberacademy.ac.zm, which is a small school here in Zambia where I actually teach and I actually run this website. It's just a small website that lists a few things concerning the computing programs offered by the school. So this is the site that I've searched. So that's the domain name. So when we search it, you'll be able to see that it's able to give us information including the IP address of the server. We can see where it's hosted, the autonomous system it's coming from, the services being used. We can see there's file sharing, remote access, and email, the ports that are open on it, right? We can see all of those things, right? So you can see even some of the tags, some of the softwares we're using, and things like that. So it speeds up a lot of things, right? It speeds up a lot of things. Instead of starting to do a port scan, okay, then you're doing a banner grab and so on and so forth. This is a much faster way of doing things, right? So you can see when you click on the results, you're able to go into detail and see the specifics for the ports, for the services used, and so on and so forth, right? I'm not going to show too much because, of course, this is a website that's actually being run right now, and I'm responsible for it. So that's just a short tutorial on Censys. It's very handy. It gives you information very quickly. So you don't need to do quite a lot of things like port scanning, banner grabbing, IP address mapping, and so on and so forth. So leave a like, leave a comment, especially if you've never seen or used this tool before. You can go to my website if you want to read further about it. That's where I end this tutorial.